Welcome back, everyone, to another fun gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the UCO Mini Candle Lantern Kit 2.0. As always, if you're interested in this, there are links in the description. So let's just jump right into it. Take a look here at the box. Now, since I finally got myself a brass regular candle lantern, I decided to grab one of these too, just for giggles. 4-hour candle, 20 lumens, yeah. And the UPC. So let me pop this open. Oh, look at that. And it comes with... oh, I ripped that. Oh well. Comes with a nice little fleece bag. And there's 3 more tea candles in the bottom of this box. Boy, they make it hard to get to. Okay. Now I have read that these tea candles are a little bit deeper than what you can normally buy, and that's how they get a 4-hour burn out of these, and we will check that out. And I felt, yep, there's something here in the bag, and it instructions again, so we'll take a quick look at these. Not that I think you need instructions for a candle lantern, but somebody out there might. Alright, let's take a look. And anytime if there's something here you need to read, you can go ahead and pause that. And just like the other one, it is in multiple languages. Okay. Alright, some quick specs on this. This particular one comes in 2 colors, red or green. It's powder coated. I got the green, because green is my favorite color. It retails anywhere from $18 to $19.99, depending on where you buy it and if you can get it on sale. I grabbed it because I got it for $18.75 shipped. So I was like, okay, why not? It is 4 inches high and 2 1/4 inches diameter, or 10 centimeters high by 6 centimeters diameter. Its listed weight with candle, which we have a candle in there, is 3.5 ounces. Or 99 grams. Listed burn time is between 3 and 4 hours. It says 4 hours on the box. Website says 3 or 4. And it is aluminum and steel construction. The main body here is aluminum. This piece and the handle is steel. And this rotating part right here is plastic. And that's much tighter than the other one. That's kind of cool. Okay. Get a look at that. Seattle, Washington. Illuminators of the Pacific Northwest, made in China. They got this little band on here. How the heck? Slide that over. There we go, so I can pop that out. And we will see. Yep. That was just taped in there. Okay. Got that off. These need to be bent a little bit because it's not really holding the candle. Bend these over just a hair. And now, when I put a tea light in there, that's really holding it. Hey. Okay. Let's put this back together and let's check that main weight, shall we? Alright, let's check that weight. Right now we're set to pounds, and coming in at 3.5 ounces. List weight on this with candle is 3.5 ounces, so 3.5, yeah. And if we go to grams, 98 grams. It's actually 1 gram under the listed. List was 99. So that's pretty cool. It's right on. Now if we toss this storage bag on there, it becomes 121 grams or 4.25 ounces. Not too bad. Using this candle lantern is pretty straightforward and simple. You just rotate the base, remove it, pop this guy up, your wick. That wick is a little tall, so I am going to trim it with my Swiss Army knife about that much. Okay. Now it's ready to be lit and inserted. There we go. Oh, that wick folded down on me. Alright. Good news is that's easy to fix. There we go. That's better. Can put it back together. Okay. There it is. You need to change the glass in this unit like you broke it or something. First of all, I would say wear gloves. I would open it, shake out the broken glass, and then try to reach in there and remove any shards. But let's say you want to remove this globe to clean it. Well, there's 3 tabs. There's a tab here, here, and here that actually hold that glass in. So how we get this out is grab the globe and push down. And you'll see it's moved down, and then you can pull it out. Then you can go ahead and take a microfiber cloth, whatever, clean it inside and out. And I don't want to touch it and put fingerprints on it, so I'm going to hold it with a mic to put the globe back in there. I don't want to touch it and get any fingerprints on it. Now what you want to do is you want to put the glass against 2 of these prongs at the same time, kind of like this, and kind of give it a little push, and you'll push this 3rd prong over. So basically, just like this, I've engaged those 2 prongs, and I'm giving it a little push. You don't want to go crazy. There we go. It's going in. Just like that. And when it goes all the way in, it snaps back in place, and we're good to go. And that's how you change the glass. We're out here at the stump top with the UCO Mini. As you can see, it doesn't put out much side-to-side light. That's to be expected by its design. I'll put my hand down here. You can see my hand a little bit. It's not as good as the original lantern, but it's not meant to be as good, if you will. But it is what it is. Let's head back in the house. You got to see the UCO Mini in action. It's not too bad for a tea light holder, and that's basically what it is. It's a tea light holder repurposed for camping. Okay? It's not going to be the best in the world. It's not going to be the worst in the world. But I can say this, you can buy 100 tea lights for right around $20. So if this was your candle lantern that you wanted to get, you could have a lot of tea lights for a really long time. So buy it, don't buy it. That is entirely your decision. But if it fits your need and your budget, go for it. Alright? And that's all I got to say about the UCO Mini. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch y'all later out in those woods.